it's time to do the brakes. So, join in, watch, crack open a beer if you want to. Let me just get my hammer to open this with. This is the Friday night hammer. Get hammered. Get it? No, it's a bottle opener. Okay, so cheers everyone, and let's do some brakes. Perfect. Right, new piston, because the old one looks like that. New piston looks like that, so that's better. It's got to be better, isn't it? Might send that to Kate as a shot glass. She'll appreciate it. Right, new seals. New seals go in there for a minute. New pistons going to go in there in a minute. Universal rubber grease. Good, like it. I've got a tin of that somewhere. My tin's buried on the shelf, so I'll use this instead. Right, this is good. This is all good so far. Got all the bits I need. Hang on, need some scissors. Perfect. Right, there's probably a right and a wrong way of doing this, but this is how I do it. You know, bleep bloop it down in the comments if you think I'm talking out my ass. I've been in there with the old airline and stuff and given that a bit of a splurge around. I tend to use a fair amount of this old grease here. Look. Greasy, greasy, greasy. Lovely. Get these all greased up. Right, bit of grease. Get that in there. This is where you realise you've ordered the wrong size. It doesn't actually fit. Greased, greased and in. Happy days. Oh, you're making a big mess of that. I don't care. A bit more grease on here. You know, you're going to have to slide a big metally thing down past them in a minute. These dust seals, if you look really carefully, you can't see that. It's like a little rib on the inside. Probably there to seal a bit better. But you know, get them in. Get it in there. Winkle it in with your finger. You know? Fight with it a little bit. Have some fun with it. It's got to go in, so just keep, you know, get it in there. Are you getting frustrated yet? Because, you know, it's possible. Whoop. There, they go in eventually. Lovely job. Perfect. Greasy finger. Greasy, greasy. Loads of grease. I'm happy with that. Nice piston. Going to lube this one up as well. Lubey, lubey, lube, lube. Happy days. Okay. That's all nice. And then, just gently. Ooh. Oh, feel it in there. Ooh. Get it in there, nice and straight and square. It will just go in. Whoop. Ooh. Did you feel that? Oh, that's beautiful. That's just perfect. Then you can come back out with your rag, you know, give it a bit of a wipe down. You know that that's in there. Perfect. A few more little bits to do on this one. We've got this big rubbery dude, did go in there. Don't want that one anymore. Out of our parts. Yep, those are for those over there. There's that one. That's nice. That one there fits in there. I've already given that one a bit of a shine up. But we'll give him some grease as well. And a bit of a grease around it. Just grease everything that you see. Oh, what do you mean the rubber's not going to go rusty? No, but inside there is going to get corroded. And then the grease should protect that a little bit. You know, a smidgen. Squidge it through. Ooh. Oh, that was beautiful. Isn't it? Nice. Bit more. Plenty. Okay. Get it lubed. And they give it to you for free, so you can use it a bit. As you poke that through, see this little end? Just rub that one over and let that one come back and sit in its groove. Nice. And go back the other way. See if you can catch the other side. Oh, come on, out you come. Coming. Yeah. Come on. There you go, see? Got you both now. Both sides. Plenty of lube in the grooves. Just the job. Right? Slack as you like. But we're happy with that. So that was that, and that's that, and that's that. That's that. Yep. I'll do all the others and finish my beer. You know, go and watch an actual proper how-to guide if you want to see how it's done properly. That's how I do it. Merry Christmas.